since we are meeting for the first time, so let's start with the introduction first. So would you
Yes,
like
yes,
to
sure.
introduce yourself?
Sure, why not? My name is English Nayak. I am from Odisha. I have completed my bachelor degree in political science. Nowadays, I teach the students of the middle school at my home, and also I am a tailor. That's all about me.
That's great. Okay, so let me introduce myself also. My name is Ghanendra Bhardwaj, and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I'm pursuing BTech, Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening to music. That's quite a bit about me. Okay.
Do you like to play cricket?
Yeah, of course, I like to play cricket. Like whenever I get the time, then I like to play.
You like most batting or bowling?
Prefer bowling basically. Bowling I like most. Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes I do batting, but bowling is something where I keep my heart about towards.
Okay. Who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is MS Dhoni. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Um, I like his mindset and the way he plays in the ground. Like he remains most of the time very calm and composed, and they take good. He takes a good decision for the team, and he's a very good leader. So
Yes. And
apart,
that calm mind is very important. It will not help you in playing cricket, and it will help you also in your life, your
mm,
mentally, physically, personal life, whatever.
yeah, so yeah, that's why I like him, and also his batting and his stumping and everything is also top notch. But yeah,
Okay, thank you.
yeah. Okay. So would you just tell me that how many conversations do you make per day?
Per day just one conversation.
So apart from speaking, are you just focusing on any other pillar of learning this language, like reading, writing, or listening?
No, listening I can't get much time, and I have one bad habit. I get bored very easily. So I don't watch too much. I think 1 hour per day. It's not complete 1 hour, but 1 hour per day. And but I like to self-talk. I talk with myself every single day, and I suggest to other
Mm,
people self-talk will help you. It will
mm,
help you mentally. It will
yeah,
help
of
you for
course.
learning language.
Yeah, of
Everything.
course. Right. Exactly. You should. Yeah, I think you should make a habit to have conversation with yourself in English language.
Yes, yes.
Okay. You must
And
think.
I know not and not for conversation. Whenever I talk with myself, mostly I like to talk with myself in front of the mirror, because I like mirror. I like to express. I like to
Yeah.
see myself how I am doing. Mm.
Mhm.
So I
Exactly.
like to do, but whenever I talk with myself, I just use English language. Otherwise, not my mother tongue, but English language. Otherwise, on another language.
It is important. If you are on the way to learn this language, so I must suggest that you must think in English language because this is something that is gonna really help you in your journey. You know.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we are just not learning this language. We have other works to do. So it's common to we cannot get time. It's
Of
very common.
course.
So it's
Right.
our duty to make time. It's our duty to use some little different trick for learning this language.
Okay. So, like, how much, what do you think? How much time does it take to learn this language?
How much time? It's not complete. Still, I am a learner. I cannot speak fluent English. So, how much time? Really, I don't know. But it's depend on your practice. It's depend on your efforts.
Yeah, you very well said. Depends on your practice and like we have a lot of work in a day. So we cannot devote every single minute to this language only. We have a lot of
Yes,
work, like we have our job, we have our study, we have everything, household chores also. Like I'm talking about the, homemakers. So
yes,
we do not have the time. Like most of the time, we should surround ourselves with the English environment. And if you do not have English environment, then you should create artificially. Like you can
yes,
watch
yes,
any English videos on YouTube. There are so many tutors right now. You can see there are so many tutors that are teaching, and they are making conversational videos. You can watch their videos, and you can watch English cartoon also, podcast also. And because of that somewhere helps you, like if you are just watching any conversational or any English content, like then you come across a lot of new vocabulary, and you just pick up those new vocabulary, and then you can put out in your conversation. No,
yes, yes.
so yeah. So like, what's your native language?
My native language is Odia. We belongs from Odisha, so
So do you know Hindi?
I know Hindi.
Okay. So do you like Hindi movies?
I like, but nowadays it's been I think 2 years. I am not watching any Hindi videos.
Oh, I also don't. I'm not fond of watching movies, but sometimes if I feel like that, yeah, today I should watch a video. It rarely happens. Like I watch any videos, so I prefer to watch 90s videos and 90s movies. So
Okay. But movies are very good. I like to watch. Sometimes and when I started my English learning, I get bored very easily because in the beginning I was not able to speak I was not able to understand, so it was very hard to get this consistency and this focus. So I started to watch Telugu movies because this language I did not know this language, so it was helped me a lot because and according to me if you really want to speak English, yeah, any other language, just control your mother tongue, because every time we are talking, we are making conversation with our mother tongue. So it was my simple trick to control your mother tongue, and for that I whenever I get bored in English language, I watch Telugu movies.
so how many languages do you know?
I know my mother tongue. I know Hindi. And nowadays, I am learning English. I can speak and I can understand more than my speaking Telugu. And I know little bit Chinese. I think little more Chinese.
Oh, you know approx around 5 languages.
Yes,
Wow.
and Bengali and Odia are similar, so I can understand. I think Bengali.
Oh my God. That's interesting. Wow. That's
Thank you.
amazing. Totally amazing. Great. So, like, how did you find the time today to to have conversation that you just mentioned earlier that you have not been taking any session for 5 days. So how come did you like find the time to have conversation today?
In which language? For today?
Yeah, yeah. For today, for this conversation.
My brother is not at home, and today I am little free. I have some works, but these are not very urgent, so I got this
Okay,
time.
that's great. You must devote sometimes to yourself. Also.
Yes.
That's good. So, like, in which language your family talks, or in which language your family have conversations?
No, no, they don't know English.
No,
They only
not
speak
in English. Yeah, what they speak basically. I'm asking that.
Odia. Odia is my mother tongue. Odia.
Okay. So, like, how did you learn? Like, my native language is Hindi, so I'm talking about how did you learn Hindi language?
Hindi. When I was in ninth class, at that time, I was able to speak Hindi and understand Hindi. I watch Hindi movies, shows, series. Then I knew Hindi.
That's great. That's nice.
I like language. I like languages. I want to speak different languages. You can say it's my hobby. I
Yeah,
can speak little bit, lot of language.
yeah, that's great then. That's amazing. Like if you talk about me, like I just know only two languages. First is just my native language, that is Hindi, and the second is English language. Basically, I can understand, and a little bit I can speak also.
It's okay. You are speaking very well.
Thank you.
Don't say you can speak little bit.
Thank you very much. And okay, just like if you have any question, then you can ask me. Otherwise, we can end the same.
No, I don't have any question.
Okay
Thank you
then.
for your time.
Thank you for making this conversation. And bye. Have a nice day and take care.
Yes, thank you. And when you upload this video, please mention my YouTube channel name. English is cool. It's my YouTube channel name.
So you can you just share the your YouTube channel link on the chat. Okay, sure. Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
Yeah, thank
Bye.
you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.